Hi everyone, it's me, Crystalline, your proactive conscious aging life coach. How are you guys doing today? I am joyful in the Lord and in the power of His might. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be making my favorite green smoothie and I want you to follow along with me. So let me tell you what I have that's going to go in the smoothie. You know, I have realized I hadn't done a nutrition video in a while, and you know, I haven't been eating as many fruits as I like to during the summer. During the summertime, I like to have watermelon and oranges and what else things, Kara oranges and everything, and they've just been out of season. So I said, you know, I have to do better than that. So I decided to make this green smoothie today, and I hope you'll join me while I make it. So let me show you what's going to be in the smoothie. First of all, I'm going to use this Silk unsweetened vanilla almond milk. And you can even just get plain. It doesn't have to be vanilla. It only has 30 calories in a cup, which is awesome. I'm going to use this spinach, 1 banana. I might use 2. I have some frozen mango chunks, and then I have these pineapple chunks that I froze, and I let them thaw out a little bit so they wouldn't be too hard to go into the smoothie. I'm also going to have these blueberries. Look at those. They're awesome. And I'm just going to put in a little teeny bit of this organic Orgain protein powder, and the reason why I'm only putting a little is because it's the creamy chocolate fudge, and I don't want my smoothie to taste fudgy or chocolatey. I'm just putting a little protein in there just to get some more plant-based protein. And what you'll notice about me is I really don't measure things, but I put the things in to taste. I don't want the smoothie to be very liquidy, so I'm only going to use a little bit of this almond milk, and it says it has 30 calories in 1 cup. I probably won't even use 1 cup, so I'll just get started with putting in a little almond milk. And almond milk has protein, it has vitamin K, calcium, potassium, magnesium, riboflavin, and phosphorus. It's a superfood, so that's about as much of the almond milk that I'm going to put in. The next thing that I'm going to add are blueberries. Look how big these are. I love big blueberries. And they have 0 fat. They have no added sugar, vitamins D, A, C, and K, calcium, potassium, manganese, copper, and beta carotene. Look at that. This is definitely a superfood. They have folate and phenolic acid compounds, quercetin, okay, myricetin, and wow, anthocyanins. These are awesome. And so let me just blend these up to get this smoothie started. But in case you didn't know, anthocyanins are a group of antioxidants that can be found in red and blue and purple fruits and vegetables. They're rich in compounds that help prevent and protect against type 2 diabetes, cancer, and heart disease. And also, anthocyanins may benefit your memory and overall brain health. They also are great for your complexion due to their high anti-oxidant content. So there's some nutrition information, and let me go on and get this going. The next thing I've added is the banana, and the banana surprisingly has about 105 calories in a 7 to 8 inch banana. It has potassium, vitamin C, vitamin B6, 20% as a matter of fact, magnesium, but the bad news is it has about 14 grams of sugar. So if you're watching your sugar, you want to watch these bananas. I usually like to have bananas after I work out because of the potassium. That I'm going to add are frozen mango chunks, and I love mango, but I don't love cutting them. But anyway, mango is excellent. It has some dietary fiber. It's full of vitamin D, calcium, iron, and potassium. And I'm going to blend these up in here right now. I'm just showing you each ingredient as I go in case you decide to make this yourself. I added about half of this bag of pineapple into the smoothie. After I'll taste it, I'll see if I need to add some more. Looks like it got stuck a little bit, so I'm just going to stir it up a little bit so it can blend a little bit more smoothly. There we go. That's better. Now, let's try that again with the pineapple chunks. It's time for a quick taste test. And let me see how it's tasting so far. Is awesome. I thought I was going to have to put more bananas, but so far so good. Now I'm going to put this spinach in, and this is where the name of the smoothie comes from, because it's going to be green after I put the spinach in. But before I add the spinach, let me just tell you some facts about this spinach. First of all, it only has 7 calories in it, and like a bunch of spinach. It has like 0.1 grams of sugar, vitamin C, vitamin B, vitamin D, vitamin E. I'm just showing you how good it looks. There's magnesium, potassium, teeny weeny bit of sodium, and it has 4% iron, and it improves blood glucose. It lowers your risk of cancer, and it improves your bone health. So let's go on ahead and put this spinach in here right now. Now, as you can see, after the addition of the spinach, we have the characteristic green smoothie color. I just love the smoothie. Let me taste some more and see how it is. I know it's delicious. Look at that. It's nice and thick and everything. And you see, I only put a little bit of almond milk. Let me taste it. Yes, 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 indeed. It is awesome. I also like a little spiciness in my smoothies, and I use this organic Ceylon cinnamon powder right here to help regulate my blood sugar. I pretty much put cinnamon in everything for that very purpose. And I'm also going to use a little bit of ground nutmeg. I'm going to go ahead and add just a teeny weeny bit of this organic plant protein powder. Like I said, it's chocolate. I don't want to add too much, but it does add a little flavor to this smoothie. So this is what the green smoothie looks like. I put some crushed ice in my glass, and I'm using my Live, Laugh, and Love glass that I like so much. And look at this. I can't wait to drink it. It's going to be so good. So if you guys have any questions about this green smoothie, please put your questions down there in the comment section, and I'll be happy to tell you any details that I haven't gone over. But I thank you so much for watching. I'm not presentable today, so you just got my hands and my smoothie. But thanks for watching. God bless you, and I'll see you next time. Mwah.